We'll guide you through how to use a Figma UI kit effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new project or open an existing one where you'd like to use the UI kit. Now go to the Assets tab on the left sidebar. This is where all your components, styles, and other assets live. Look for the library icon. It's usually shown as a book. Click on it and you'll see a list of available UI kits that you can use. If you don't see the UI kit you want, click on the More Libraries button, which will allow you to find and enable additional libraries. Once you've enabled the desired UI kit, it'll be available under the Assets tab. You can now drag and drop components from the UI kit directly onto your canvas. This is a great way to quickly build a design using pre-made elements. If you need to customize any component, simply double-click on it to enter edit mode, where you can adjust colors, text, and other properties to fit your design. Remember to use the components section within your UI kit to maintain consistency across your designs. This section contains reusable elements like buttons, icons, and headers that can be used throughout your project. One tip is to make sure you're using the latest version of the UI kit to take advantage of any new features or updates. You can check for updates in the library settings. With these steps, you can efficiently implement a Figma UI kit to streamline your design process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.